came to Truly Dental because I have had dentures for the last 6 years now, and on the bottom part here they just kept moving all the time, so I knew I had to go and get something done to kind of help me out because it was just getting me down. So I found Truly Dental online, and I got in touch with the manager, and she brought me straight in for an appointment, and I spoke to Dr. Jimmy, who was absolutely amazing, made me feel so natural, so at ease, so comfortable. He reassured me that I'd have it all done in one day, but that I had no need to worry. He'd help me with sedation, and then antibiotics and things like that, and I haven't looked back. I had 4 up and 4 down, top, bottom, and absolutely amazing. I can actually bite into an apple. The major benefits is that I'm more confident when I go out. I don't feel people are looking at me weird, because I always felt weird with the dentures because I knew they were there. I thought everyone else could see it, but ever since then now it's absolutely amazing. I can go out at ease, and yeah. Absolutely go for it. Yeah, big time. I would not, if I had been able to do this 5 years ago, I'd have been in doing it, but I just never knew how easy and how brilliant it is when it's all done. It's amazing. It was absolutely amazing. Dr. Jimmy, he made me feel so comfortable. He told me that I didn't have any worries to worry about anything. He'd help me out with pain relief afterwards, and it would take about 4 hours for the whole treatment, and he just put me totally at ease, and I just felt, yeah, let's go for it. Oh, absolutely, yeah, without a doubt. No two ways about it. I would absolutely, if any problems with dentures at all in your mouth, please go and get it sorted. You'll just feel brilliant after, you know.